Blessing assurance. Oh, wonderful year, people. From where you are watching from, I do not know. You are watching from Jamaica. First of all, I am cooking one of the most beautiful, most authentic fish soup in Jamaica, village lifestyle. This is one of the most prettiest color soup me have. Seeing the pumpkin, the pumpkin them give it a wonderful color. See, you ever hear about Dr. Fish soup? Some people say all fish tea. Welcome to my kitchen, people from Jamaica, all positive people who like to work and do things generously and integrity. The bird them smell me. Why these birds so intelligent? Whenever time I am cooking, the bird them smell me food and come out. What are intelligent birds? So far, we don't have any rain today. It's a very hot day. 17th day of May 2026 and a Sunday when most Jamaican people having rice, making rice and peas. See? Them favorite delicacy on Sunday in Jamaica. But me do my thing different. First again, me have to thank all our new subscribers and welcome to the family. Yeah, this is how the cloud look in Jamaica. I not soon see the soup, man. You know, bear with me here and make sure you watch the video to the end. And if you not see the ads come up on the video, the commercial, then you know, please watch it and remember to show the video some love by giving it a thumbs up signal, see, and comment. You can also share it, you know, with your friends and family, see, loved ones, brothers, sisters, you know. Big up and bless up and welcome to the channel. People from Asia, America, Africa, Europe, Canada, Central and South America. The soup has a life. It smells so good. Wow, my sweet pepper beer. Remember the sweet pepper that we plant in the flowers pot. When you remember this, you see those people who have been watching my videos from a very long time, they know everything about the channel. So I'm gonna show you the sweet pepper before we look at the soup pot. See, they wanna remember when we were talking, said I was saying, said if you don't believe more or less the sweet pepper tree was gonna put on pepper, and some of the fans them say, yes, Kojak, the sweet pepper go bear sweet pepper. So no right, congratulations to no. So righty, X mark the spot. Farming in container. Peas in a container. More young pop chow sucker come up. Tomato. Ripe organic. Moment of truth now, my fans, to reveal the soup pack. Now, one of the most authentic soup. Who would like to taste some of the soup? Oh my. Joy to the world. Joy to the world. What you call that? Mouth watering, my people. Inside the pot. Big up my friend from Australia, Barbara, you love soup. No come ask me about no dumpling though. Cause you say you know no soup, no dumpling. Dumpling in the bottom I hide. Some small dumpling under there, but I'm not showing you my dumplings them seeing. Holy powder little goodies in the pot. Big up Sage. Cecile, KC. DJ King Yellow Man, big up youth. This soup here is medicine. This a come like medicine, health benefits soup. This I know. Which one would you rather, to be honest? Out of the rice and peas and the fried chicken right now. And if you say the soup, see? Which one would you rather? Not said I rather the soup. Some people are gonna say they hot, so they might rather the rice and peas. But give me the soup every time over the rice and peas. And the fried chicken or your jerk pork or your jerk. What you call it stew pork, I rather this. This is my style, my lifestyle. I like to show no my breadfruit, you know, cause Cecile love nature, you know, the lady that Cecile, Casey and all Sage and the whole works. Yes, people, no give thanks again, give thanks for another beautiful evening, man. Bless up and more blessings. You know, Remember to leave a comment, scene, and if you're new for the first time, you can subscribe, scene. This is my cooking, my lifestyle, Koja country lifestyle, natural food. Big up and bless up every time. Me say that.